Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the USB tethering in your device Oppo F21 Pro 5G. So if you want to enable or disable USB tethering in your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the USB tethering in your device.